This is Brew, the world's first automated tea machine developed to make brewing tea in your home or office faster, easier, and more consistent. At the twist of a dial and push of a button, you can make the perfect cup of tea every time. With Brew, you're not limited to expensive capsules or pods. With our included stainless steel spoon and sieve, you can use any tea bags, loose leaf, or any other type of tea you like. Exploring new flavors has never been easier. Here's how it works. Fill the 2-liter tank on the back, use the spoon or sieve to place the tea of your choice inside, and close the lid. Place your cup on the removable drip tray, and then use the dial on the front to customize the brewing time, temperature, and water quantity to your preference. Press start and continue with your day while Brew does the rest for you. No mess, no fuss. Built-in safety sensors prevent accidental spillages, and our dishwasher-safe glass brewing chamber is perfectly shaped to make sure you get every last drop, minimizing waste. For those that want effortless self-cleaning, the Brew Plus model features our unique ring outlet that not only fills the brewing chamber evenly, but also fully rinses it after each cycle to keep it clean and fresh for next time. For those times when one cup isn't enough, Brew features an infinity pour mode that'll dispense water at the temperature of your choosing until you tell it to stop or the tank empties. We're waging war on the home kettle and want to help cut down on the millions of liters of wasted water each year from boiling of overfilled kettles. Every part of Brew has been specifically developed to make the tea brewing process fast, easy, and efficient, so you can enjoy the perfect cup of tea at the push of a button. Disposing of used tea is clean and simple. All removable parts like the catch tray and brewing chamber are dishwasher safe, so maintaining your machine couldn't be easier. We've been working with expert industrial designers to take Brew from an early concept right through to being ready for manufacturing. We've tested and drank hundreds of cups of tea and cannot wait to get Brew into the kitchens of fellow tea drinkers all around the world.
In the US, every 4 minutes a house burns to the ground because of a stove left unattended. These accidents cost thousands of lives, many more injuries, and billions of dollars every year.
Have you ever wondered whether you turned off the stove before leaving the house or not? Sometimes children turn on the stove without us knowing it. How about caring for a senior parent or an aging partner who maintain their day-to-day independence? In addition to all of these problems, a lot of food is burnt and goes to waste when we get distracted while cooking at home. We designed and built Safe Oven to solve all these problems at the same time. Safe Oven is a simple yet highly effective mobile phone managed electric kitchen range, oven, and stovetop monitoring system. When an oven or stovetop has been left on for an extended period of time, Safe Oven will send the assigned mobile devices alerts. From the ease of your phone, you have the option to turn off your stove or opt for a reminder later. If you don't respond, Safe Oven will automatically turn off your stove. And if you don't want to use an app, you can subscribe for text alerts. Safe Oven is designed to fit behind or underneath any oven. It is not only slim and compact, but also adaptable for any space, with flexible cables that can be mounted directly to the wall or simply placed down on the ground. We developed Safe Oven to give everyone the peace of mind of knowing when your stove is on and how long it has been on. If you're still cooking, just extend the reminder to give you another alert. Safe Oven pays for itself by saving your food while keeping you and your loved ones safe, whether you're at home or away. It has an elegant design and is very simple to operate.
Fellow citizens of planet Earth, we are under attack. Plastic waste is destroying the planet that we call home. It's polluting our oceans. It's killing our wildlife. It's devastating our ecosystems. It's sad. We often feel helpless because this seems bigger than us. But what if we could fight plastic waste with the power of a bottle? It's called Rebo, and it's the first bottle that cleans the planet as you drink. One Rebo drunk, one plastic bottle collected. As simple as that. Rebo is a smart bottle equipped with a laser time-of-flight sensor and a Bluetooth transmitter that measures and sends the water you drink to the Rebo app. The app captures the information and records it into the blockchain, transforming it into green credits that sponsor the collection of plastic bottles. Every minute, more than 1 million plastic bottles are consumed worldwide. Every time you choose to refill your Rebo bottle, you're choosing not to generate more plastic waste. But most importantly, every time you drink from Rebo, we will collect one plastic bottle polluting our environment. The Rebo app will show you the plastic bottles that are being collected thanks to you. And there is more to Rebo. It tracks the water you drink and builds a customized hydration plan according to your lifestyle. The bottle reminds you to stay hydrated by lighting up. It's equipped with a unique one-hand push cap and keeps your drinks cold for 24 hours and hot for 12 because it's made of the best stainless steel that we could find. Fellow citizens of planet Earth, we are running out of time. If we don't act now, by 2050, there will be more plastic than fish in our oceans. Today, you can help make Rebo a reality and make a difference. If we join forces, we can and will win the battle against plastic waste. Rebo, the first bottle that cleans the planet as you drink.
The Cuisinart Griddler gets a sleek, contemporary look and innovative functions with the Cuisinart Griddler 5. All the classic cooking methods you want, like contact grill, panini press, grill, griddle, and full or half griddle now come with user-friendly digital precision controls, easy-to-use countdown timer, and a brilliant LCD display. Simply set the function, temperature, and time, and let the Griddler 5 cook your favorite foods to perfection. With 5-in-1 cooking options, you can prepare hash browns, crisp bacon, and make blueberry pancakes all at the same time. Or grill up tangy and onion Gruyere burgers, or even a chocolate hazelnut panini as a special treat for dessert. You can prepare an entire meal in 15 minutes or less, including cleanup. The Griddler 5 features an adjustable floating cover, stay cool stainless steel handlebar, and the reversible removable cooking plates are completely dishwasher safe. With adjustable temperatures from 175 to 450 degrees, you can lightly toast a panini or sear your steak to perfection and use the 2-minute sear function for lightning fast results. All of the features you love with a simple modern design.
Presenting the Weber iGrill Mini Thermometer. Designed for use with the free iGrill app on your smart device. The iGrill Mini Single Pro makes it simple to set up and grill your favorite foods. It's easy to set up your grill session. Simply select your food and the desired doneness. Now track the temperature of your food directly from your smart device. When the food is ready, the iGrill Mini will notify